Morning everyone, and welcome to the S79 Saturday Sew Along. So today I've got a really quick and really simple project to make these fabulous little flowers, little rosettes, which look great on all sorts of things as a badge, a brooch. You can use them on projects such as I have on this bag that I made, and these are really fun and quick things to make. They look good on cushions, just to liven up anything that just needs a little something just to brighten it up. So as a seamstress, I'm always being asked to shorten jeans, so I have a lot of offcuts of jeans, which I just hate to throw them away. So today I'm going to show you how to turn this into this. The size of your rosette will depend on the width of your jeans. So this particular one is 2.5 inches. So take a needle, and I have some super strong thread. There we are, and it's as simple as that. So a fabulous little rosette brooch with a safety pin on the back, should you want to pin it on to something yourself, or there we go. It's a bit hard to see because it's blue on my blue dress, but these are great and they look fabulous on anything. You can stitch them onto cushions or attach the safety pin on the back. So get raiding your button stashes. Don't throw any buttons away, and definitely don't throw any offcuts of jeans or trousers away.